how to buy QudeAI framework token. So this token came under the symbol of QG. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, but before that, as you can see, this is the most important of any token that you want to buy, the liquidity. The liquidity here are locked by 94%. That's good. That's mean your investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now for that, open your Phantom wallet. Now log into your wallet. After that, click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana for sure on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Click here, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you will receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. And if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slip hash. So after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy QG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.